Hi everyone, it is Farid. In this video, I show you 16 useful shortcut key on Windows that you can use anywhere. It is key 1, Alt plus Tab. When you have 2 or 3 pages on your system, you can switch between each other with Alt plus Tab. It is key 2, Windows plus D. With Windows plus D, you can close all your open window. For example, I have 2 windows here. I want to close both of them. Press Windows plus D. It is key 3. Press Windows with E. When you press Windows with E, you will see this quick access page. It is key 4. Press Windows with R. When you press Windows with R, you will open Run. You can search or you can open any app you want from here. For example, CMD. It is key 5, Windows plus X. When you right click on Start menu, you will see this list. You can open this list with Windows plus X. It is key 6, Windows plus S. Windows plus S, open this search bar. You can search anything on your Windows. Key 7 is Control Shift plus Escape. When you press Control Shift with Escape, you will open Task Manager. From here, you can control your app, and also you can see your Windows performance or system performance. It is key 8, Alt plus F4. From here, you can shut down your system or you can switch user and also sign out, sleep, and restart. It is key 9, Control plus C. Select your file, then press Control with C. Now we copy this Word document. It is key 10, Control plus V. I want to open this folder. Press Control with V. Control plus V is for paste. Here we have also this document. Key 11 is Control plus X. Now I want to paste here. With Control plus X, you can cut any file you want or any text. It is key 12, Control plus Z. With Control plus Z, you come back. It is Command 13. With Windows with plus, you can zoom in. It is Command 14. With Windows plus minus, you can zoom out. Guys, in this step, like this video and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. When I upload the new video, you will have notification. It is key 15, Control plus Shift plus N. With this key, we can create a new folder. It is Command 16, Windows plus L. Windows plus L is used for lock screen. You do it. Guys, I hope you enjoy from this video. Have a good day. See you soon.